What's up, guys? Today I will be doing another Arduino project, but this time I will not have only one Arduino, but two. This is building on my project I did last week, which was an Arduino Mega and the MAX7219 8x8 LED matrix display. Well, this week I'm adding an Arduino Uno and a 4x4 keypad, and I'm going to connect the Arduino Uno to the display and the Arduino Mega to the keypad, and then I'm going to connect the Arduino Mega with only two wires to the Arduino Uno, and they will communicate between each other. In this case, I'm going to have the Arduino Mega receive key presses from the keypad, and depending on what key is pressed, it will send that data over only two wires to the Arduino Uno, which will then display what is pressed on this display here. Yep, so let's get into it. Alright guys, this is all the hardware that we are going to need for this project, and you can see here is the LED display and the keypad and the two Arduinos and all the wires we're going to need. So first things first, let's connect up our wires to the display here. And now we must hook up our wires to this keypad as well, so we can plug it into the Arduino. So I just have 8 little jumper wires here. So now that we have the wires on the keypad, now we must hook up the keypad to the Arduino Mega 2560. You're going to connect the leftmost pin to pin number 9, and then continue on to the right from that. Okay, now the keypad is connected up, and now you must connect the LED matrix up to the Arduino Uno. Connect VCC to 5 volts. Connect ground to ground. Connect DIN, which is data in, pin 4, connect CS, which is load, and connect CLK, which is clock, to pin 2. And if you want the specific instructions for hooking these up, that is in the codes for each microcontroller. So now the last step is to connect the microcontrollers together. SCL on the Arduino Uno goes to SCL on the Arduino Mega, and SDA on the Arduino Uno goes to SDA on the Arduino Mega. And now these two wires here are the communication, but if you're going to have separate power supplies powering each Arduino, then you also need a third wire for ground. So you need a common ground, or otherwise it won't function properly. So you connect that into the ground on the Mega and the ground on the Uno. And now you're all set up. Now all we need to do is supply power. So I have this power supply here. It is plugged in, and I'll power up the Uno with this. There we go. And now I must power up the other microcontroller, and I'm going to use a just USB battery here so that they're not powered with the same power supply. And now they are connected, and let's try it out now. Alright, so let's press 3. Nice! The display is displaying the number 3, but the brightness is pretty low, so I programmed it so that the hashtag button brightens the screen and the asterisk button lowers the screen brightness. So we'll just brighten that up here. Hopefully the camera can see that well. So now let's just go through these numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, and 0. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now remember, these two microcontrollers are only connected with 3 wires: SCL, which is serial clock, SDA, which is serial data, and of course a common ground. So they're really only communicating through 2 wires. Alright guys, well that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see me do more Arduino videos, go ahead and press that like button. And subscribe if you haven't already, because I post every week and I don't want you to miss a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.